Imagine two massive slabs of Earth's outer shell, each thousands of kilometers wide, moving slowly toward each other over millions of years. What happens next reshapes our planet and brings some of the highest mountains, deep earthquakes, and dramatic geological change, all without human warning. In this video, we explore what scientists have discovered about what really happens when two continents collide. Earth's outermost layer, the lithosphere, is broken into tectonic plates that float on a ductile layer beneath called the asthenosphere. These plates constantly move at rates of centimeters per year due to mantle convection and other forces. When plates move toward each other, they form a convergent boundary that can lead to subduction when oceanic crust meets continental crust. But what about continent versus continent? When two continental plates converge directly, neither plate easily sinks beneath the other because continental crust is relatively buoyant compared to the mantle. Instead of one sliding under, the colliding edges crumple, fold, and thicken upward and sideways, a process called orogeny. This is the defining moment in which the collision begins to permanently restructure Earth's crust. As collision starts, enormous forces compress the crust, causing major earthquakes as rocks break and shift, large folds and thrust faults, formation of uplifted regions and rock deformation. These processes are chaotic and intense in the early stages, releasing seismic energy across broad zones near the collision boundary. Over millions of years, the collision forces the crust to rise and thicken. The classic example today is the Himalayas, formed as the Indian plate converges with Eurasia. Rocks are squeezed upward, thrust over one another, and folded into massive mountain belts. This collision also creates thickened crust, high plateaus, e.g. Tibetan Plateau, deep metamorphic zones as rocks undergo intense pressure and heat. These mountains can grow to the tallest on Earth and profoundly alter local climates. A continental collision doesn't just build mountains, it sets up long-term changes. Erosion slowly strips high peaks and redistributes sediments. River systems evolve around new topography. Climate patterns alter due to mountain barriers. Plate motion continues, eventually reconnecting continents in future supercontinents. Some scientists believe Earth may again form a single landmass hundreds of millions of years from now. Continental collisions are among the most powerful natural forces shaping Earth's surface, creating mountains, triggering earthquakes, and influencing oceans, climate, and life. Next time on Cosmic If, we'll explore another epic Earth mystery. What was Earth like after the worst extinction in history? Leave a comment below with your guess. Which mountain range was formed by a continent collision, the Himalayas or the Alps?